Welcome to Programming Mind Academy. In previous video, we have seen theory part of variables and data types for PHP programming. In this video, we are going to see the actual implementation of variables into the PHP programming. I have opened the Visual Studio Code and I defined some variables and printing it by using echo. So to define variables, we are using $sign in front of variable name, which we have seen in last video. If you have not watched the last video, I suggest you to go through that video first, then you will understand this. So here we define the first string variable, and we are storing the our channel name Programming Mind Academy here. Then we have defined dollar num, and we are storing one number here which is integer. And then we have defined num2 variable, and we are storing the float number here. Okay, so this is how we can define the variables in PHP programming. And here we are using echo. So echo is used to print the data in PHP programming. So after echo we are going to print channel name. So this is a hard coded string we are going to print, and in front of that we are going to print our name which we have stored here. Then we are using this for one line space. Okay, for when we complete the line we add enter like this. So in second line we are printing the number which is integer, and in third line we are going to print the floating number. So this is num2. So let's write it in your PHP file in Visual Studio Code and save it. Then we will go to our local host, refresh this page, and we can see variables PHP here. So let's click on that. So here we can see the channel name as a Programming Mind Academy, and number which is integer as 100, and this is the floating number. So yeah, this is the successful implementation of variables into PHP programming. So let's do some more tasks here. I have written some code here and commented it out. So I will copy this and add it here. Okay. So we have defined a as a 10. So we are using $a is equal to 10, and don't forget the semicolon. Then we have defined b as a 20, and we are adding a into b and it's storing into the c, and we are going to print that c here. Okay, save it. Before that, yeah, we have given the one line space here. So let's run and check if we get the 30 as a c. So let's go to the same file again and refresh it. Yeah, we can get the 30 here. So this is how we can implement variables in PHP programming. If you like this video, subscribe to the Programming Mind YouTube channel. Thank you.